Most people get this wrong when they try apps like InboxDollars. They think the money is instantly withdrawable the moment they earn it. Then they hit a wall and wonder why they can't cash out yet. Here's the truth no one tells you. The minimum payout on InboxDollars in 2026 is one of the most important things you need to understand before you spend hours on the app. Because if you don't know it, you might stop too early or expect a payout that isn't ready yet. In this video, you'll learn exactly how the minimum payout works, how long it takes to reach it, and the smartest way to cash out faster without wasting time on low-value tasks. Let's get straight into it. InboxDollars typically requires a minimum cash-out threshold before you can withdraw your earnings. In most cases, this is around $10. But here's the problem. Not all earnings count equally toward withdrawal. Some activities like surveys, offers, and shopping rewards add money faster. But clicks and small tasks can feel slow. So many users like Jake from Texas, or Raya from Mumbai, get stuck thinking they are earning, when in reality, they are progressing too slowly toward the minimum payout. Now here's where it gets interesting. InboxDollars often gives a welcome bonus for new users. That means you might reach the payout threshold faster during your first week. But after that, earnings slow down unless you choose high-value tasks. So, how do you actually reach the minimum payout faster? Focus on surveys that match your profile. They usually pay the most consistent amount. Next, look for limited-time offers inside the app. These can sometimes push you halfway to the payout in a single day. But be careful. Some offers require sign-ups or purchases, so always read the terms. Another important detail is payout methods. InboxDollars allows PayPal, gift cards, and sometimes prepaid Visa options depending on your region. PayPal is usually the fastest and most flexible option. But here's where many users make a mistake. They chase too many small tasks instead of stacking high-paying activities. That slows everything down and makes the minimum payout feel harder than it really is. If you stay consistent and focus on higher-value tasks, reaching the minimum payout can take a few days to a couple of weeks depending on usage. So the key takeaway is simple. The minimum payout is not the real challenge. The strategy you use to reach it is what matters. To sum it up, InboxDollars does pay, but you need to understand the threshold, choose the right tasks, and avoid wasting time on low-return activities. Once you do that, cashing out becomes much smoother. If this helped you understand how InboxDollars really works in 2026, like the video, comment your experience, and subscribe for more honest earning app breakdowns.